Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a famous grind 75 medium question that I was just able to resolve on my own after over a year. So I'm really happy about this. As you can see, I first solved it, let's see, December 2023. So again, pretty happy that I was able to resolve it completely on my own about 10 minutes ago without any assistance. So let me show you how I did it. Merge intervals, basically, as long as there's an overlap, we want to make the interval as big as possible. So for example, 2 and 3 overlap. So the key insight here is to notice that if there is an overlap, meaning the start point of the current touches the stack's biggest element, because we're first going to sort intervals, and then that's going to sort it by the start time. And then so we know that this start time is going to be the smallest in the entire answer. And then we're just going to keep seeing if this touches the current, the stack's end. If it does not, then we're going to update the stack, and that's going to be the new end. And if it doesn't touch it, then it's going to be the new end. Okay, so in this case, they're equal. That is also touching. So first, we have to sort it. And if we print intervals, we can see that that allows us to do this whole thing because we're really going to traverse from the second to the end. So the answer is just going to be intervals of 0, because we always know, since we're sorting by start, that this guy's always going to be in there. So then we're going to compare by the end and then update the end need be. So that's why it's 1/6, because this guy is less than or equal to the stack's end at that point. So let's say for A, B, and intervals 1 to the end, again, if the current A is less than or equal to answer of -1, then we're going to update that to be 6. So this goes from 1/3 to 1/6, and then we're going to keep going. So answer -1 is max of answer -1, and B, because we always know this is going to be bigger than or equal to this. This is cannot be smaller than this. Okay, so B, otherwise, let's say we have 1/6, and then we're seeing an 8 and 10. In that case, then this is not overlapping, so we just append it, and then the new end becomes 10 instead of 6. Okay, so we just say answer.append the current interval, which is just A and B. So we're just unpacking each list, A, B, A, B. And then at the end, we can just return answer, right? So let's run this and submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, I'm super glad that I was able to solve this question completely on my own after over a year without any help. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.